Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on half range cosine series. Let us solve find half range cosine series for function f of x is equal to e raised to x in the interval 0 less than x less than L, and as it is 0 to L type of range, comparing it with that 0 to 1, we get the value of L as 1. And that half range cosine series is given by half range cosine series is given by fx is equal to a0 by 2 summation of an cos n pi x by L, n changes from 1 to infinity, and summation of bn sin n pi x by L, n changes from 1 to infinity. We call this as equation 1. Fourier series formula, where a0 is given by or obtained by 2 by L integration from 0 to L fx dx, and therefore it is equals to value of L is here 1, therefore it is 2 by 1 integration from 0 to 1, fx is e raised to x, and therefore it is 2 times integrating e raised to x with respect to x, its integration is e raised to x, limits from 0 to 1. Substituting upper and lower limit, we get 2 into upper limit x as 1, therefore we get e raised to 1 as e, and minus e raised to 0, e raised to 0 as 1, and therefore we get that value as 2 times e minus 1 as value of a0. We call this equation 2. Value of first Fourier coefficient. Then we try to obtain an. Given an is given by 2 by L integration from 0 to L f of x into cos of n pi x by L, and its integration with respect to x. Then substituting corresponding values, we get value of L is 1, therefore it is 2 by 1 integration from 0 to 1, fx is e raised to x multiplied by cos of n pi x by L, L is 1, and its integration with respect to x. And to evaluate this integral, we have to apply the standard result of integration. We know that e raised to x cos of bx as e raised to x divided by a square plus b square into a cos of bx plus b sin of bx we know this result. We have to apply this result. Therefore, comparing these two results, we get here value of a, it is coefficient of x in this term, therefore it is 1, and cos of bx, b is the coefficient of that x in that cos term, we get b is equals to n pi. We get therefore an is equals to it is 2 times first term is e raised to x, here that is e raised to x divided by a square plus b square, a is 1, 1 square is 1, b square means n pi square, it is n square pi square, square of that term, multiplied by a, value of a is 1, into cos of bx, it is n pi x, plus b, the value of b is n pi, sine of n pi x. Outer bracket close, and the limits for this outer bracket only. Therefore, limits are 0 to 1. And therefore, when we put upper limit, we get the term cos n pi and sin n pi. Value of cos n pi is cos of n pi value is minus 1 raised to n, and sin n pi is 0. We get it is equals to 2 times. For upper limit x as 1, we get e raised to 1, that is e divided by 1 plus n square pi square. Cos of n pi, the value of cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, and sin n pi is 0. Therefore, it is 0. Then minus, when lower limit x is 0 here, we get e raised to 0 means 1 divided by 1 plus n square pi square multiplied by cos 0, value of cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0, therefore that term becomes 0. We get what we can take common from this two term, it is 1 upon n square pi square, 1 plus n square pi square we can take common, therefore it is 2 divided by 1 plus n square pi square multiplied by, yes, it is e into minus 1 raised to n and minus 1. Value of an. We call this equation number 3. And as it is cosine series, value of bn is 0. Substituting all the values of a0, an and bn in equation 1, we get function fx is e raised to x. Value of a0 is 2 times e minus 1 divided by 2. Summation of an, value of an is 2 upon 1 plus n square pi square into e into minus 1 raised to n minus 1 multiplied by cos of n pi x, and n changes from 1 to infinity, and the bn is 0, that term becomes 0. And then rewriting it, final answer, 2 to get cancelled, we get e minus 1 first term. Constant term we take outside, we can take 2 constant outside. Summation from 1 to infinity, it is e minus 1 raised to n minus 1 divided by 1 plus n square pi square into cos of n pi x as the required half range cosine series, as half range cosine series. A final answer. If you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates or new videos. Thank you very much.